Look at that. Let's see if I can twirl that around. Ow. That didn't work. The ultimate bundle. Welcome back, everybody. I have a few favorite times of the year every year in Griddle Nation, and one of them is at the end of November going into December when Walmart teams up with Blackstone to bring the once-a-year Black Friday special holiday deals. It's the time of year when Walmart picks a few of Blackstone's products, marks them down for a significant savings for the Christmas and holiday shopping season. Off the top of my head, I think I've brought you the sneak peek of the Walmart Black Friday deals, I think 7 consecutive years at least. So without any further ado, let's jump into it.
Let's give it a try.
Back by popular demand, Walmart has returned the Blackstone 25-piece Ultimate Griddle Kit. It really is the ultimate kit. Everything you need to flip and serve burgers, stir fry, pancakes, and anything else you would need to griddle like a pro and clean up afterwards. Let's get into it. Oh my goodness. The ultimate bundle. 2 spatulas. Hear that? Well, you can flip them. Everything you need right here. That's the most basic tool of griddling. A hamburger spatula, very wide. You can use this to smash a hamburger patty. Pick up a big piece of meat and flip it. A rock solid handle, the hamburger spatula. 2 32-ounce Blackstone squeeze bottles. I always have avocado oil in one and water in the other, but you can put whatever you want in there. A griddle scraper. Everything you need to skim all those crumbs off at the end and cook again. Tongs. Use these to slow roll my hot dogs, to flip steak, pieces of shrimp. You cannot griddle without a set of tongs. Blackstone scrubber handle with 6 scrubbing pads. A Blackstone grease gate. Cover that opening to your grease cup, and you can do stuff like stir fry or hash browns and not worry about having to fish all your food out of the grease cup. 6 Blackstone grease cup liners. 2 of the Blackstone double silicone egg rings. I love this because it allows me to get the perfectly round egg, especially when I'm making sandwiches. 2 Blackstone serving trays. These are beautiful. After you've cooked up your food, you can serve it on these trays. I like to use these to bring all my ingredients out to the back porch. They're really cool, and they also fit in and slide into several of the past models of the Blackstone serving carts. And that's the Blackstone 25-piece Ultimate Griddle Kit. Perfect for the new griddler in your life or for the seasoned griddler. Moving on, this year Walmart decided to throw the 28-inch original Omnivore Griddle with hardcover into the mix. It's a tried and true griddle that you've seen me using quite a bit in the past. The hardcover protects your griddle from the elements. It has handy hooks. You can hang it on the back of your griddle top out of the way, and it acts as a splatter shield. And it has the Omnivore Griddle plate. I don't know if I've actually ever shown that in a video. Blackstone developed this a couple of years ago, and Blackstone has perfected it. It has quicker preheat times, even heat distribution, and better fuel efficiency. It actually allows the griddle to use less BTUs, so you save money on propane. And my favorite part, it has built-in wind guards, keeps the hot air in and the cold air out. So where I'm cooking here in the Rocky Mountains, it's a lifesaver. 2 independently controlled heat zones, so you could have one zone off and the other side screaming hot. It has a side shelf for your accessories, for your seasonings. I love the fact that it has this little heat cutaway, so everything on your side shelf stays cool. And the 2 caster wheels make it easy to wheel this thing around your patio, your back porch, or your sidewalk. You'll want to check Walmart.com, the Walmart app, or any of the Walmart holiday ads for pricing. Our social media team will put links and pricing down below as they become available. Every year I get messages from my viewers in January that say, I wish I knew about this 2 months earlier. So consider this your heads up. Blackstone Walmart Black Friday holiday deals. I appreciate you watching. Please leave me a comment down below. I love it when you tell me where you're watching from. That's a big one for me. Let me know where you're watching from. Make sure you're watching all my friends on the Blackstone Network. And until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the food from the Blackstone Griddle, of course.